Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information.
Who is the angel of thunder? Your options are option A, Mikail alayhi salam, or option B, Ra'ad. The right answer is option B, Ra'ad. How many idols were kept inside Makkah before Islam? Your options are option A 360 or option B 300. The right answer is option A 360. What is the act of kissing Hajar al-Aswad called? Your options are option A, Ihram, or option B, Istilam. The right answer is option B, Istilam. Who saw the Azan in his dream? Your options are option A, Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu, or option B, Abdullah bin Zayd radiyallahu anhu. The right answer is option B, Abdullah bin Zayd radiyallahu anhuma. Who reconfirmed the words of Azan from his dream after hearing them from Abdullah bin Zayd radiyallahu anhu? Your options are option A, Usman radiyallahu anhu, or option B, Umar radiyallahu anhu. The right answer is option B, Umar radiyallahu anhu. What is the meaning of Surah At-Tariq? Your options are option A, the nightcomer, or option B, the forenoon. The right answer is option A, the nightcomer. What is the meaning of Surah Ala? Your options are option A, the Most High, or option B, the Night. The right answer is option A, the Most High. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Ghashiyah? Your options are option A, the overwhelming, or option B, the city. The right answer is option A, the overwhelming. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Fajr? Your options are option A, the night, or option B, the dawn. The right answer is option B, the dawn. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Balad? Your options are option A, the village, or option B, the city. The right answer is option B, the city.
Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.